Here we go again. A normal day for a couple walking around the neighborhood, minding their own business. Or so I thought. This person crawls to avoid being seen from the camera, but didn't realize that I was watching. This drunk driver almost ran over 2 vehicles in front of the house. "1:00 in the morning, this bandit slashes my tires and damaging property. So, here's another case when a guy is wandering around your house, acting strange without a shirt. His excuse was that he is looking for gemmery. After this clip, the homeowner contacted the police for stealing items from the utility room.
Hello?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
I'm looking for Jeremy. Jeremy lives here?
Who?
Huh?
Who are you looking for?
Jeremy. Jeremy?
No. Jeremy, we don't have any Jeremys at this address.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, no worries.
Package theft while we at work. This is what they do while we occupied. They go around your neighborhood and just waiting for that chance, the opportunity to ruin your day. It's mind-blowing how this crooks. They just grab people's stuff, like nothing happens. Looks like the car description is gray Acura 4-door. Be on the lookout, neighbor. Homeowner caught this guy walking around the yard looking at different things. Don't know what his problem was, but he was already trespassing. Don't leave stuff out that can be stolen. Nowadays, anybody can walk up and take things from your property.
What about it?
It worked.
It's mine.
Yeah, it's good.
It's mine. What's up?
Well, you got it out like you're throwing it out.
No, I'm not throwing that out.
You're not?
No, I'm not.
Why is it out by the street?
What do you mean, why is it? It belongs to me. What's up?
Oh, no. If you were throwing it out,
I'm not throwing it out.
my neighbor kid is trying to get his scholarship.
I'm not throwing it out.
Basketball.
I'm not throwing it out.
He could use.
Check this guy out, slashing tires in broad daylight.
All I need is a bicycle
you are currently
pump.
being recorded.
I just need a bicycle pump for my bike.
Dude, does this property looks like a Walmart to you? Look at this person. You can't even have solar lights in front of your house anymore. It's 1:30 in the morning, and this lady is demanding bottles of water and sandwiches, and also demanding we answer the door. Then she begins with a strange behavior.
Hi, hello, can I help you?
Hey, could you come out with
No, I'm sorry, I can't come out right now.
to the door so we can want a sandwich or two?
What can I help you with?
Can I get a bottle of water?
A bottle of water?
And a sandwich, something to eat. Neighbor on the street.
No, I'm sorry. I can't help you right now.
Let me get a for you. Bitch. Say move.